First of all, click Windows plus R keyboard on your laptop. Search for prefetch, prefetch, and hit enter. Ask for permission. Hit on continue and select all the files with Ctrl A and delete all the files. You can see all the files are start deleting. It takes some times. Escape. Also this escape. Escape. Done. Also this escape. And close this. Again click Windows plus R and search for temp. Hit enter. Yes. Hit on continue. Select all the file and folder. Click delete. Continue. Continue. You can see all the file and folder is deleted. Again hit Windows plus R and search for percent temp percent. Hit enter. Select all and hit delete button. It takes some time. And now search for disk cleaner. Disk cleaner. So can we open it? Search for let's see. There is temporary files and updated files. We have to delete it. Just click on clean up system files. Again click OK. Now click on OK. Delete the file. You can see our disk is clean up. And now if you have something in recycle bin, then also clean up it. And now you can also see your check your C drive, is it full or not. If it is full, then you will have to delete some softwares or add extra hard disks storage. You can see my local disk is empty,